Welcome to Astromola. Today we are diving deep into the story of Saturn, the planet of discipline, transformation, and karma. Often misunderstood, Saturn plays a crucial role in shaping our lives. So let's explore his story, his influence, and why his lessons are so important using mythology. You may not know this, but in Roman mythology, Saturn was once a highly revered deity. His reign was known as the Golden Age, a time of peace, prosperity, and abundance. Back then, Saturn was not seen as a harsh teacher, but as a generous ruler who ensured stability and wealth. But as time went on, civilizations changed and so did their perception of Saturn. He went by being beloved god of abundance to strict taskmaster we fear today. Still, his power remains undeniable. Now let's shift from Roman mythology to Vedic tradition, where Saturn takes on a different but equally powerful role. In Hindu tradition, Saturn is known as Shani, the slow-moving enforcer of karma. He is the planet that governs discipline, patience, and justice. He doesn't bring suffering just for the sake of it. His hardships are designed to refine us, to make us stronger. But what does Shani look like? He is depicted as a dark-complexioned deity, draped in blue or black robes, riding on a vulture, an iron chariot drawn by 8 horses, or even a tortoise. His favorite animal is the tortoise, and it makes perfect sense. The tortoise is slow, steady, and lives a long life. Just like Saturn, it represents patience, endurance, and the wisdom that comes with time. Saturn rules the zodiac signs Capricorn and Aquarius, and his designated day of the week is Saturn. But most importantly, he is the chief justice of the celestial world. You cannot escape his judgment. Now, here's something interesting. Saturn and the Sun share a unique relationship. After all, Saturn is the son of the Sun. But they are like two sides of the same coin. The Sun transforms life above the ground. His light nourishes plants, creates energy, and fuels the growth. Saturn, on the other hand, transforms beneath the surface. He governs the decay and renewal, breaking things down so that new life can emerge. Without death and decomposition, there can be no rebirth. Without endings, there can be no beginnings. So while the Sun shines bright, Saturn works in the shadows, but both are equally essential. Now if you think Saturn only affects ordinary people, think again. There's a fascinating story about Lord Shiva and Saturn that proves otherwise. It is said that Lord Shiva once tried to escape Sadesati, the dreaded 7.5-year transit of Saturn. To avoid it, he transformed himself into a lizard and hid inside someone's bathroom for the entire duration. When the period was over, Saturn appeared before Shiva and said, "Joke's on you! Even as the Almighty, you spent these years as a lowly creature in someone's bathroom." The lesson? Saturn spares no one, but there's a hidden message here. If we voluntarily embrace discipline and hardship, Saturn has nothing left to take from us. Now, let's talk about why people fear Saturn so much. See, we live in a world obsessed with speed, instant gratification, quick success, and constant movement, but Saturn forces us to slow down, to reflect, to correct our mistakes. Naturally, we resist this. We don't want to be stopped. We don't want to be disciplined. We don't want to face consequences. Think of Saturn as that one strict teacher in the school, the one who never let you take shortcuts, the one who made you work so hard. Back then you probably didn't like them, but later in life you realized that their discipline was exactly what made you stronger. Saturn's lessons may feel harsh, but they shape us into a wiser, more resilient individuals. Now let's move into Saturn's role in astrology. So, in astrology, his influence can be both a blessing and a burden. Depending on where he is placed in your chart, one thing is certain, his effects are long lasting. If he blesses you, his rewards will stay with you forever. But if he is challenging you, the struggles can feel endless until you learn what he is trying to teach you. And here's something you might not know. Saturn is actually friends with Venus and Mercury. Despite his slow and serious nature, he is said to have a handsome face. Now let's talk about one of my favorite yogas, Sasa Yoga. Sasa Yoga is a Mahapurush Yoga and it occurs when Saturn is in his own sign, Capricorn or Aquarius, or exalted in the Libra, in an angular or Kendra houses. People with this yoga tend to have immense discipline, strong ethics, and natural leadership abilities. From my experience, individuals with Sasa Yoga are often the most righteous and fair-minded people, as long as other factors in their horoscope support it. Now let's talk about what's happening right now with Saturn's current transit. Saturn is leaving his own house, which is Mula Trikon Rashi, and moving into Pisces, a journey that takes 32 plus years to complete. This is a significant shift, and to make things even more interesting, this transit coincides with a major eclipse. What does that mean? Expect instability in the lives of common people, cattle, and even societal structures. But there's a good news. Later this year, Jupiter will move to Cancer, forming an aspect with Saturn. This could bring positive changes, legal reforms, and support for the people, especially around November. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with something to think about. If you've ever watched Westworld, you might remember this scene. Dolores recalls a lesson from her father about their cattle herd. Instead of treating the sick ones, he slaughtered the weak so the herd could survive. Reflecting on this, she says, to grow, we all need to suffer. And that, my friends, is Saturn's lesson in a single sentence. Growth comes from struggle. Strength is built through endurance. That's all for today's episode. But next time we'll go even deeper. How do you know if Saturn is working for you or against you? What are the signs? And most importantly, how can you work with Saturn's energy instead of resisting it? If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review. Until next time, embrace Saturn's lessons and keep evolving. Thank you.